name is Dr. Kyle Murray. I am with Atlas Brain Spine in Upland, California, and we are a NUCCA chiropractic office, which is a specialty of upper cervical chiropractic, and I'm one of the doctors there. So the body's innate ability to heal is kind of a superpower, right? I think that's really cool that our body has that ability. For instance, if you have a cut, right, the Band-Aid's not the thing healing you. Your body is naturally healing, is naturally repairing. The same thing can be then within the whole atmosphere of the body. So from our perspective of upper cervical NUCCA is that if you're able to restore the body's ability to communicate, you're taking that major stressor at the upper cervical junction, the cranial cervical junction at C1, C2, right off the brainstem. And now you're allowing the nervous system to begin to communicate. The nervous system talks to every single gland, organ, tissue of the body. All right. So it is relaying all the text messages from the brain to the body. And if that is being decreased or diminished or the efficiency is reduced, your body's not going to be functioning or not healing the way it should be. Also, if your body is in a state of survival and not in a state of healing, it's going to be very difficult for your body to heal, right? Think about if you are being chased by a lion, and if you're being chased by a lion, you're probably not going to be focused on eating, you're probably not going to be focused on sleeping, and you're probably not going to be focused on healing. Now, if you are able to rest at night, and to not have any major stressors, your body shifts and you're able to begin to restore. So getting you out of that state where you're being chased by a lion and in the state where your body's in a natural position to heal is really, really important. Your body is able to start that process of healing. The bone repairs itself, the skin repairs itself. So if you're able to promote that naturally, then you should.